Kenshin Himura statue.
Okay. Wow. All right.
You know about the parts of Kenshin,
Okay.
body, and soul.
Alright.
And this is the base.
Alright. Close up. Close the face up. Okay, how was it? It's good, right? Alright. Okay, go ahead.
Oh, the base. So I got the first.
Wow.
Only 200 figures
Okay.
They
You got the first one?
Yeah.
Well, they made this statue in a while now. And she's happy. She's happy we got it. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. So, okay. Strong magnet. Okay. Okay. Yep, there you go. Okay. Good.
His hair.
Okay. Okay. That's it. All right. Show it to them. Okay. Kenshin Himura. Yeah, there you go. Samurai X. Does he have an X mark in his face? Does he have an X mark on his face? Because that's not him if there's no X mark. Right over there. So.
It's very on top. Kenshin. I have another one right there.
Alright, here it is.
Thank you guys. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye.